for In It for the Long Haul, University and ISE Partnerships and the Quest for Durability. ISE refers to informal science education organizations, which include science centers, zoos, university outreach groups, and any other organization that has public engagement with science as its primary mission. The project is built on the premise that the range of expertise and resources needed to produce strong engagement-type broader impact work is often held by different people at different organizations. We aim to bring these assets together through partnerships that would enable ongoing broader impacts collaboration over time. This session is based on the work of a collaborative research project, which is funded by the National Science Foundation. During this 90-minute workshop, you'll first learn about the project's premise and goals, along with an overview of the work we've done so far. Representatives from among the 9 project partnerships will then share their own experiences building cross-institutional partnerships. They'll share points of success and, just as importantly, they'll share instances when durability has been elusive. We'll then branch off into small group conversation where those who are beginning, growing, or refining their own organizational partnerships will have time to roll up their sleeves and talk through partnership challenges with members of our project team. Finally, as a large group, we'll discuss how we can build or sustain a partnership in these difficult times. What does it mean to endure? How can we prepare ourselves for a time when we're once again ready to grow? We hope you'll join us.